Hey Kennedy, good afternoon. It's Mrs. Lill. I would have my video on, except I just got out of the shower. My hair is absolutely crazy. But I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on what your new cyber class is going to look like for you. So when you get logged into this class, there's going to be a lot of it that you're going to recognize that is very similar to our regular class. And the main reason for that is because I basically do the same information from your live class that you were in with me and what they're doing in cyber. Now, the only thing is sometimes we do stuff in a little bit of a different order. So I'm really hoping that you will check out this video so that you can make sure that you get off to a good start. So one of the first things is you're going to notice on my teacher side of it, I'm able to go in and view the course as a specific student. So I'm actually looking at it as you, so you can kind of take a look at that. Now, when you go into this class, what's going to be So when you go into this class, what's going to look a little bit different is if you log in, you're going to notice right over here, this looks like a million assignments for 1 week, but that's not true for you. So since you're in the entire class, you're seeing every single assignment that the students are doing for the week. But I've actually, if we scroll down here, I'm making assignments just for you. So when you come in, there are going to be all these other students that are doing what is kind of on target. But remember how we're doing in like some of the stuff you've actually already done in your class. So basically you're in this cyber class, and right now you kind of have some special things just for you. So what I want you to do is when you come in, I want you to ignore all that stuff right over there. And then you're going to come right down here to your folder. Okay, so this is going to be your folder for you. All this blue module stuff is for the students that have been in the class all year. You're going to come right down to KM Lessons. And when you come to KM Lessons, you're going to see a folder for the week. So you're going to see, here's your folder for this coming week. Notice that it ends on the 20th because Friday is going to be a holiday for us. So if we come on in here, all you need to do are 3 different assignments for this week. So we've got what is a stock notes, how to read a stock lesson, and investing role play. Those are the only 3 assignments that you need to do this week. So when you're back over here and you're looking in the regular class, all this other stuff, what's happening is that it's pulling in your individual assignments, but it's also pulling in the whole class because you're in the whole class. I can't remove just one kid from those assignments, so it's a little bit of a weird thing. So again, what we're just going to do, it's going to be very manageable for you. You're going to do great. You're going to come in here. You're going to scroll down. You're going to find your name right here, KM Lessons, and you're going to have one folder of stuff right there, and all those due dates are going to show up right there for you. Okay, they're going to show up right there for you. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can always message me back. You know, obviously where to find me. You can always stop by any other time that works with your schedule during Viking block or something to that effect. But I'm really glad that we were able to get you switched into this cyber class so we can get you credit for the work that you've already done because you did a great job this year. And I'm just absolutely mortified that the situation that happened in our class, because I would never want anyone to not feel comfortable. So I'm just so sorry that that situation has happened. If there's anything that you want to talk about, make sure that you reach out, and I'm happy to help you out. Take care, excuse me. Have a good night.